Hello guys, good evening to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Okay, let's start the session. So can you see my screen?
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see your screen.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See, foreign currency devaluation. Concept. This is one of the month-ending activity in SAP. So, what is foreign currency devaluation? Why we need to do this activity in real time? So, anyone please tell me. So, why we need to do the foreign currency devaluation? What is foreign currency revaluation? Anyone? Okay, I will tell you right now. So let's say, for example, so there are several transactions which will happen with the other countries. So any currency which is other than company currency is called as a foreign currency. Any currency is not the company code currency is called as a foreign currency. That's it. So foreign currency rates updation is the month-ending activity. So every month we need to update the foreign currency rates. This is also month-ending activity. Updation of foreign currency rates is a month-ending activity.
That this updation is subject to the changes.
Yeah, OB08. So we need to give the. I will tell you right now. Just to give me some time. So any currency which is not the company code currency is called as a foreign currency, and updation of foreign currency rates. This is also month-ending activity, and revaluation of foreign currency. Foreign currency devaluation. Revaluation is also month-ending activity. So every month we need to do this activity. So every month we need to do this activity. Revaluation of foreign currency is also month-ending activity. Okay, and periods opening and closing. This is also month-ending activity. Depreciation closing. This is also month-ending activity. Accrual entry, deferral entry, posting. This is also month-ending activity. Okay, and here. So why now the question is, see, I was posted on transaction. Okay, so transaction is raw material account debit, raw material account debit to vendor account. But the transaction is not in local currency. Okay, so the transaction is not in local currency. It is in USD. Okay, so your company code currency is INR, but you posted the transaction. You posted foreign currency invoice. Okay, foreign currency invoice. So when you posted the transaction on 16th of November, so this 16th of December 2022, you posted the transaction. Okay, and see, this is the transaction you posted. So you want to, so generally for revaluation, every month every month we need to update currency rates. Every month we need to update the foreign currency. That is mandatory. Okay, because so we need to conduct the revaluation. So why we need to do the revaluation? So we need exact balance sheet requirements. Exact balance sheet in local currency. Okay, so we need exact balance sheet in the local currency. So raw material account debit and to vendor account credit for the revaluation perspective. So initially we need to update the foreign currency rates, but so revaluation will be happened this month, okay, 31st December 2022. Okay, revaluation things will be happened this month. Okay, why the revaluation we need to perform? So all the currencies which are posted in the foreign currency, not only USD, so other currencies will be there. Other foreign currencies will be there. So those currencies should be converted to local currency, and you need to prepare the financial statements according to the country and the legal requirements. That is mandatory. So foreign currency revaluation is the month-ending activity because every month we need to do the revaluation. Okay, every month we need to perform the revaluation. That is the reason this is a month-ending activity. So whatever the transaction you posted on 16th, that is fine. But on 31st date, okay, on 31st date, so one USD value. So here one USD value equal to, okay, so if you convert into local currency, one USD value equal to 70 rupees. But total it should be 2,800. 20, correct, right? 2,800, right?
28,000, sir.
28,000, sorry. And one USD equal to 70 rupees. Then it is 28,000. On 31st date, so one USD value suddenly increased. So it is 72 rupees. So 400 into 72, how much? Okay, how much? You tell me. So this is comes under the debit balance and credit balance also for the same entry. Okay, raw material. This is same. Okay, this is same. But so your value is suddenly increased. It is 70 rupees. So one USD value equal to 70 rupees. How much? 400 into 72. Tell me anyone. And this is comes under the debit. Kitna?
28,800.
38,000.
28,800.
Sir, 28,800, sir.
Okay, vendor value also 38,800. Okay.
Sir, 28,000, sir.
28,000 already done, right?
28,800, sir.
800.
28,800. Okay, so this is credit balance. Okay, debit balance is yours. This one, credit balance. So this is on the exact date. This foreign currency revaluation is applicable to vendor open items, customer open items, GL balances. Okay, and GRIR related balances. Okay, so raw material account debit to vendor account credit. So now on the 31st date, so we need to show this amount in the books of accounts. Because on the date, one USD value is 70 rupees, it is still not clear. It's still showing as an open item. So if invoice is open item, then so this foreign currency revaluation once you're done, so in the balance sheet system will show this amount. And the next day it should be reversed. And the next day it should be reversed. Okay. So what is the difference amount is there? The difference amount will goes to realized loss. Okay, so you are in the at the time of purchasing this invoice. So that time 28,000. Okay, but so now it is 28,800 rupees increased. So this is the realization loss, and it should goes to balance sheet account. Okay, so it should goes to balance sheet account, and next day it should be reversed automatically in the system. Okay, so foreign currency revaluation should be applicable to vendor invoice, customer invoice, vendor open items, customer open items, Okay, so and GL balances, GRR clear related, then foreign currency revaluation should be applicable. I will show this scenario directly in my system. you guys know very well about what is the B. B means the bank buying rate, exchange rate, buying rate. G means bank buying rate. Okay, and next one is M means average rate. Okay, so now this is a bank buying rate. G should be used, not B. So bank selling rate B. So these are the exchange rates. Okay, these are the exchange rates. Now, so I'm just to open up the system. Okay, so can you see my screen, right? So in order to update the foreign currency exchange rates, so you need to go to OB08 transaction. Just go to OB08. OB08. And for USD to INR, combination is available or not? So G, and also from currency USD, and this is INR. Okay, so just double click on this. So G, so already G is updated on 16th date. Okay, the transaction, let's say this transaction I need to post on 16th date. Okay, this transaction posted on 16th date. It's posted on 16th date. And here the revaluation need to carry out on this 31st of this month. Then what should I do? Just I'm copying this. Okay, this is already just I'm copying this and giving this one. And so 31st December I'm taking. Okay, then one USD value how much? 72 rupees. Okay, so enter 72 rupees on 31st December. So G exchange rate, right? Save. Okay, so this is this is the way you can update the foreign currency exchange rates. Foreign currency exchange rate to LSMW also we can upload in real time. So we can upload. There is one separate tool will be there for interface like that. So they will directly upload all those foreign currency rates in one time go. In LSMW also we can upload the foreign currency rates. Okay, in one time. So yes, in Excel sheet you can take, and Excel we can also. And you just go to SPRO and reference IMG and path you can see regarding this foreign currency. Where we need to go? 1 minute. NetWeaver, SAP NetWeaver, okay? SAP NetWeaver, general settings, okay? General settings, set countries. See here, general settings, NetWeaver, currencies. Where is currencies? Here. This is currencies, okay? So check exchange rate types. First you need to check. So your exchange rate types are already available in system or not. Check G. G is already available. Okay. And M, these are the standard things. Okay. If client want to create another exchange rate, we can also create. Okay. So these are all things available. If client want to create new exchange rate, then you can come to this screen and create. Okay. And the next thing is these kind of requirements will come real time frequently. So define translation ratio for currency translations. Okay, just double click on this. Okay, and click enter, click OK. And you can also see here. Okay, so your combination is available or not, please check. G USD to INR. Combination is available in the system. Ratio 1:1. Okay, so if not available any combination, then error will come. Okay, that case you can go to translation ratio and check USD to INR combination is missed for this exchange rate or not. For B also you can also check it out.
Date. Hello sir. Here a date it is showing as 16th December now sir.
Okay, that is standard one. Okay, this is standard one. There is no need to check out the rules. Okay, just copy the things. That's the standard. Okay. INR and USD. Okay, just a copy and the ratio. This kind of issues will come in real time. So user is posting the entry, but there is a translation ratio is missed out. Okay, in that case you can do this activity. Okay, so now you updated the foreign currency exchange rates, and also if any translation ratio is missed or not, so those things you can check it out. Okay, and the next thing is. So you need to conduct the foreign currency revaluation. So for that point of view, so you need to post one vendor invoice on 16th of this month, because so I am posted the transaction and my currency exchange rates are also updated on this date only. Okay, so on 16th date my currency rates are also updated. So you can take the vendor. Okay, so you can just take vendor. Okay, and give the vendor invoice on 16th date. So dates are very important. Okay, because the transaction is posted on 16th date. And also put reference. Okay, and amount $500, 500. Okay, and the text you can take it vendor invoice. And GL. Okay, GL. So you can see what you can take. So raw material, right? So raw material account and amount.
Sir, here no need to change INR, sir. INR.
Yes, correct. See here how much amount we are posting right now, because it's the transaction in USD and $400. Okay, post to $400 as per the invoice. I have forgotten to give that. Okay, now just you can take. I just tcode. So you just give these details. Okay, text. You can simulate the transaction. Okay, I'm just posting the past date, so system is throwing a warning message. Okay, now just click on this. So your transaction should be posted on this date. Okay, this is posted. Now if you want to check what kind of transaction you posted, okay, then just double click on this, and here, so how much the system is calculated? 28,000. Okay, 70 rupees is system is calculating. Okay, and the next thing is. So I need to check the foreign currency revaluation, and also need to check the FBL5L. Okay, so on FBL5L, you can take the vendor invoice. This is the vendor or different vendor? Need to check. So I need to check the open item status. See, I have so many transactions posted and also done foreign currency for other transaction. You can consider only this transaction and double click on this. Okay, so this is the transaction I posted right now. Got it? So I just want to do the foreign currency revaluation for this, and also have done inter-configuration for the foreign currency revaluation. So that configuration document also I will share you, and I will tell you so how to do that. Okay, it's a very simple thing. Then next step is, so you need to conduct the foreign currency revaluation to you can use the one earlier there is one T code is the F.05. This T code nowadays it's not working. Okay, so you want to do the foreign currency revaluation 31st December. Okay, 31st December, you can give 31st December. Okay, and valuation, see, system is throwing an error message that, so this was earlier we used this the transaction. Okay, F.05, that is not working. Right now we need to use this new T code. Okay, so then just slash n and just go back and give the transaction code. Okay, and give the company code. Okay, and valuation area put RA. And here, so we need to apply the batch input session. We need to create batch input system. So you can give it Chanu SK123 something else, or test one.
Valuation date. Valuation date.
Yeah,
Valuation
this is
key.
valuation date given wrong. So we need to do the valuation for the 31st of this month. Okay, and then you can go to the document dates. Okay, which already posted the transaction posting date, and today's date I'm posting this. Okay, so now you just only select the create posting this option and open item. So here this F.dot foreign currency revaluation will be applicable to GL open items, no GRIR accounts, valid GRIR accounts, GRIR account with FI data, and that means entire GRIR related stuff. This concept should be applicable, and also vendor open items, and if you have customer open items, then also you can apply. So take the vendor, okay, take the vendor, and now just execute this transaction code. So before execution, so I don't want to post this directly in the system. Okay, so I am not selecting this option. First, I need to check. So what are the system? What item system will pick? Okay. So system is picking all the line items over here for this GLs. These are all line items 28,000. This is the 28,000 system is picking. Okay. This was posted right now. Okay. These are all system is picking. Okay. So exchange rate was I was updated is 72 rupees. But see, this is the new exchange rate on 31st March. So 31st March, the exchange rate is 72. Exchange rate is 72. Okay, and exchange rate is 70. Okay, exchange rate is 70. So this is applicable to all the vendors also, because earlier I was do the foreign revaluation on the 20 of this month. Right now I'm doing again so 30, and I'm doing again this in 31st. Okay, so that is the reason system picking all the open items. Okay, and here whatever the difference amount is there, that should be posted in the this place. Got it? This place. So this is the new exchange rate on 31st March. This is the old exchange rate. These transactions are completely posted with 70, and this is the amount posted this way. Okay. So now just to go back and do foreign currency revaluation, create postings, and give the session batch input session, and just execute. Okay. So successfully posted. 5 messages is generated. So these are all things are completely posted, and also you can see 2 postings was happened. So these are the postings for all the transactions, and these are the reversal postings. Okay. So these are the reversal postings. Okay. So next day it should be reversal. So on the next day it should be reversal. So this was posted on 30. This was revalued on 31st. And the next day system was reversed. Okay, so here the reversal date is also there. Okay, now just go to batch input session SM35 -n, because we have created batch input session, right? SM35. So this is the batch input session was created. Okay, so now just click on this, go to process. Okay, and select display errors. Okay, expert mode. So these are 2 options, and this you need to click. Okay, so session was completed successfully. Okay, that means there is no error was pop up, and it was done successfully. Double click on this and go to log created. So the transactions 34 document and 35 document both are generated. So just you can go to FB03 also. You can check what is the transaction of this 35. Click on this, then so this is realized last adjustment account, and this is the reversal document on first. Okay, and also you can see this is the normal entry. Okay, on 31st this way. Okay. Okay, so this is just like a foreign currency revaluation for vendor case. Like that, you can also do the foreign currency revaluation for customer also. Say I want to do the foreign currency revaluation for customer, so I should need to post a transaction. Okay, so here just you can check it out. Any open items are there. Okay, so then just go to clearing data. Okay, so this was not due. Okay, so all the invoices I'm converting to foreign currency revaluation 31st of this month. So again, then I will go to. So what is the transaction code for this? So FAGL FC_val. Okay, so here give your company code. Okay, and this is the date where you want to do the foreign currency revaluation, and give the valuation area, and you can also take so where create postings, go to, and document date when it was posted, document dates. So it was posted on different dates. So document date I'm taking only 16th of this, and posting date 31st. So now let's see how the system will behave like that. So go to open item. And also you can see valued customer open item and give the customer, then check it out. Okay, so these are all open items are picked. So this is the exchange rate, new exchange rate, and this is the amount posted. Okay, difference amount. Okay, so your exchange rate is showing as a different amount because earlier I was maintained different amount, different exchange rate. Okay, so on 28th I maintained only 70 rupees. You can so also see. So this is the way we can do this, and we can also apply foreign currency revaluation. We can select and apply, then it should be posted, already posted. Okay, so just go to SM35 and check. Okay, so this is the way you can do this. Okay, there is no errors, the transaction is posted. Okay, just double click on this and go to log created, and so the documents also, document numbers also generated. Earlier it is 36, 37. Now this one is generated. The transaction code is FBB1. Okay, so this is the way we can do the foreign currency revaluation in every month. So that is, so this is a month ending and year ending activity. Okay, so this is a month ending and year ending activity. Got it?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a couple of questions. Sir, my first question is, for example, on 16 December, a posting is happened of for $400.
Okay.
And the payment will be made on the same date, right?
No, payment. See, vendor, see, this concept is applicable to vendor open items only. Payment, we are not discussing about payment. Foreign currency revaluation will not be happen to payments things. Already payment, then this concept is not applicable. Only open items which are in the still 31st December, those things will be revaluated.
Okay. Okay.
We won't deal the already paid things, right? Okay, so already paid means that's enough. There is no need to show those things in the balance sheet. On the balance sheet, so every transaction should be converted into local currency because financial statement exact value should be need to be presented. So that's the reason. So basically, so we can post the transaction on 31st day, and whatever the currencies on that day, like USD to INR, what is the exchange rates are there. So the all the things will be posted on that date only. So here unrealized loss, unrealized gain should be comes into picture. Sorry, realized loss and realized gain should be comes into picture.
Okay, sir. Another question is
between the realized and unrealized. What
Sorry,
is the
sir.
difference between realized and unrealized? Realized means it's happened, right? So unrealized means, for example, I have stock, the value is 10,000 rupees. Okay, due to COVID, the stock has been raised to 20,000 rupees. So that stock value is suddenly increased. But our stock here we cannot directly show in balance sheet is a paper profit 10,000 extra. No. Okay, it is once you sell to the customer, then we can say it's a profit. So we are just calculating the stock value. So nowadays the stock is increased suddenly 10,000 extra. Okay, that 10,000 extra we cannot show as a profit in the balance sheet. Okay, so it is unrealized gain. Okay, unrealized gain we can include in the capital. Okay, in the balance. So that is realized means once you sell the product to the customer, then it is called as realized.
Yes, got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is on 31st December we are updating the rates, right?
Yeah.
So how do we know that what is the rate at on 16 December?
Those things generally exchange rates will be updated by master data management team, so they will take care in real time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So how they will upload? They will upload manually, or is there any tool to upload? Okay, any interface is uploading or LSNW. So those that is their risk. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So any issues will come at the time of any open item is not making in the foreign currency devaluation and all. So those things we can take care in real time.
Yes, sir. Thank
so
you.
We should understand so why it is not making in the F dot. So this foreign currency devaluation tcode. Those points generally come in real time. We need to analyze really it is open item or cleared item. What kind of in the invoice status. Those things we can see.
Got it, sir.
Got it?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So the interview will try to ask you what is realized gain, realized loss, unrealized gain, unrealized loss. Okay, so that is the reason I'm sharing to you one document regarding the foreign currency with example, so you can read out that. Okay, just read out this once you get free time. Regarding the configuration, so I will tell you what are the configurations we need to perform. And this is just like normal regular things. So just go to SPRO, go to reference IMG. I will share you the document, just follow that, but I will tell you. See, go to financial accounting new, and so global settings. Okay, global settings. There is parallel accounting, ledgers. Okay, parallel accounting. So one thing is, so we need to create accounting principle. On what basis we are doing this? Which accounting principle we are using for revaluation? Double click on this, and so many accounting principles are available over here. So which accounting principle you need to take? Okay, so that things you should I ask the client. Okay, so it's local gap or international. I have taken gap. Okay, USA gap. Okay, so just go back and assigning account principal to ledgers. There are two types of ledgers we can see in ECC. One is leading ledger and second one is the non-leading ledger. So leading ledger is the default one to the company code. Whatever the transaction is posted, and that should be stored to leading ledger only. That should be posted to leading ledger only. And non-leading ledgers may be many. Okay, leading ledger is only one, but non-leading ledger used for the reporting purpose. Okay, so you can also see in asset accounting, book depreciation is the leading ledger. Okay, remaining all are book like cost in depreciation, federal tax. So those are completely non-leading ledgers. Okay, so leading ledger should be assigned to your target ledger group. So this is the configuration we need to do. The second, and this configuration two parts is done. Then you go to general accounting and periodic processing, and go to valuation. Okay, valuation. So we need to define the valuation methods. Okay, just double click on this. So I have defined the valuation method is K. Anything you can define it. Okay, nothing else. Just define the valuation methods and define valuation areas. Okay, so valuation area I have defined RA. So this one I have taken into consideration at the time of foreign currency revaluation. So this valuation and this valuation method should be interlinked. So earlier I shown valuation method, right? So K, and this should be interlinked. Okay, and check assigned accounting principal ledger. So here gap should be linked with leading ledger. So that is very important. Whatever the accounting principal is there, that should be linked with ledgers. Okay, and assign valuation areas to accounting principals. Okay, same like see, this area should be linked with accounting principal. Okay, and finally you can do the account determination. Okay, account determination we need to assign the back and GL accounts. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you. So these things we can also see in SM37 also. Okay, once we execute background job, so if you so you execute background job, so you can also see the details in background. See, like if you want to do the foreign currency revaluation, so you just given all this stuff, right? So this one. Okay, so and also don't select this option this time. Okay, don't select this option. So you need to select so program and execute in background. Okay, put LB01.
So the valuation date was wrong, I think.
No, sorry.
The valuation date, sir. It
Where
was
is
taken wrong.
date is different?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, 31st. Okay, go to program, execute in background, and give LP and click OK. Click OK. Select immediate. Okay, save. Okay, Now we just go to SM37 and check. So is there any background job? So these things we can find it. Okay. So actually, so already I calculated foreign currency revaluation. Okay. So that is the reason there is no list is there, because already done. Okay. So that is the reason he didn't find anything. But so if you have the value, then it will be done. But I'm just saying that these things will be done through background job also. Right. And here account determination things will comes into picture. So we need to do the account determination configurations backend. So here first one is if you want to do the GLs related balances also we can do this GL balances, and also open items like GL open customer vendor item. So there are two things, one is KDB and this is for KDF. So just double click on this and give your chart of account. So your GL should be assigned in this place. So this exchange rate difference key is there, right? This should be assigned in the GL master. Okay, so 403, this is the exchange rate difference account, loss account. This is the gain account, loss and gain accounts. And this is, you know, for vendors and for vendors. So we need to take the domestic recon account in this list, domestic recon account, loss account, gain account, and the same realized loss and realized gain, realized loss and realized gain. One GL account we need to create, balance sheet GL account. This is the balance sheet GL account. Okay, so these are all GL accounts we need to create, and then you can apply. Then it should be okay, or else you will feel you will face the issues. Okay, so I am sharing the document to you right away. So just follow this document. English. Okay, so just to follow this document, you will finish that concept. Okay. Right, we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we have session, and tomorrow, yes, tomorrow we don't have any session. Monday. Okay, so we will continue the session on Monday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.